My name is Matt, and this is going to be a quick demonstration of bringing Google Analytics data into the Palomino platform and running some quick analytics on it, just demonstrating the integration use case. So we're going to start by logging in, which we'll use continue with Google button and continue as me. That'll bring us into the platform. We can dismiss the discovery panel. And we've got right now no data sets on the workspace, so we're going to bring one in via the data source integrations button, which is this little data source with plus sign icon. We'll bring that in, we'll select GA4. We will go through the Google OAuth flow here to make sure we've got all of the relevant scopes and that I've granted permission to Palomino to bring it in. So we're continuing through the OAuth flow. We're back into the app. We will select the Palomino account. We'll select the Palomino property. Today is April 11th, and we're going to just kind of trim this up. It would normally bring in year of data. Let's just bring in a couple of months, and we'll go back a couple of days too, so the 8th. Select the time series of days. We'll get active users. We'll get the bounce rate. We'll get an event count and sessions onto our first data set here. We'll import that. It takes just a second. We've now got that loaded in. We'll paint that onto our workspace like so. We'll just get there. Select that as the data set, and you can see we've brought in these metrics from the Palomino website. So let's do a quick forecast. We'll go up here to time series functions. There is, I know from experience, some seasonality in the data set, so we'll use Sarima, which is seasonal. Ariba forecast, we will forecast active users. We'll cast it a month out, so that's going to be 30 days. We'll use a training window of about a month and a half, so we'll call it 50 days. There's some different things, so we'll select that. We know periodicity is about 7 because it's weekly fluctuation as opposed to monthly, in which case that value would be 7. So we'll apply that forecast, which runs pretty quick. And in here, we now have a new column with our forecast numbers in there. And since that's all well and good, let's actually just create a little visualization of that. So we'll apply that, look there, close there. And we can see here's sort of the historical daily user count for Palomino, and we forecast it, and Palomino has chosen to highlight that in yellow. If we wanted to change some of these parameters, we could go in there and change whatever we want. Let's say it's got a period of 6 or 8 or what have you, and we can quickly run through what the differences in the forecast look like when we do that. So there you have it. That's just quickly what you can do with Palomino. There's clearly there are a lot of other functions here. If we wanted to run some SQL, we could ask it what is the average user count. Well, active users, let's be specific for the AI, count in Feb. And that'll generate us quickly some SQL, and we can run that query and get insights into our data that way as well. All that and more, go join PalominoAI.com. Thanks for your time. Bye.